Celebrate 10 years of Canva. I am just moving my mouse around and it's making all this confetti. How fun is that? And so anytime I move around my mouse, and you can do everything from docs, documents, whiteboards, presentations, social media is probably what you're most familiar with. Creating videos, I'll link some video tutorials about that. You can have print products. I've purchased, I think, some invites and postcards directly through Canva. Websites, one-page websites you can develop here as well. So if you have something special, and some of the more infographics, photo collage, desktop wallpapers, graphs, book covers, mind maps, magazine covers, I don't know if I read book covers, Zoom virtual backgrounds, calendars. So if you're getting ready for holiday season and gifts, posters, worksheets for learning resources and handouts, reports, planners, comic strips, proposals, a class schedule, maps, CD covers, organizers, tags for gifts, invoices. They have all of these templates, YouTube intros, flyers, ebook covers, lesson plans, programs, blog graphics, bookmarks, and phone wallpaper. And in addition to templates, you can start with something and then customize it. There is so much that you can do in Canva. So happy birthday, Canva. Congratulations.